Hi everyone, I'm J. Marcus Guerra, and today I will share what I've learned from the CWTS orientation of Southern Leyte State University. This talk will walk you through the goals, mission objectives, and important guidelines of National Service Training Program, specifically the Civic Welfare Training Service or CWTS. Purpose and goal of NSTP. The main goal of the National Service Training Program is to transform the youth into responsible citizens who are God-fearing, patriotic, human, and environmentally conscious. It aims to prepare us not just for personal growth but to contribute to both local and national development. SLSU NSTP Vision and Mission. Our NSTP office envisioned itself as a leading center of civic consciousness and defense preparedness. Its mission is to develop well-rounded, socially responsible, and patriotic individuals through training that promotes physical, moral, spiritual, intellectual, and social well-being. It also nurtures values like patriotism, nationalism, and voluntarism. General objectives. The program focuses on cultivating civic consciousness and patriotism among students, engaging us in community service and development projects, preparing us for national defense and emergency situations, developing a motivated pool of individuals with critical thinking and lifelong learning skills. Specific CWTS objectives. For Civic Welfare Training Service, the goals are even more practical, involve students in projects that improve community welfare covering health education, environment, entrepreneurship, safety, recreation, and social service. Apply what we learn in class to learn community challenges. Build partnership with local organizations to create impactful project. Program outcomes. By the end of the program, graduates are expected to show strong civic duty and active community participation, use their knowledge to solve real social issues, be ready for emergencies for national defense needs, work well diverse teams, and stay committed to lifelong learning and national development. Course outline and grading. NSTP grades use the university numerical rating system, but they don't count toward the general weight average. Important reminders. You must complete the full 6 units to graduate. 3 consecutive absences without valid reason can mean being dropped or failed. Grades come from components like a portfolio, a collection of your activities and achievements. Rules and regulations. Key rules to remember. Attendance check from 7 to 7:15 a.m. Taking picture or using punch during lectures is not allowed. Arriving 20 minutes late means your ID will be confiscated. Stay safe and avoid eating during discussions unless it's an emergency. There's designated break time. Habitual tiredness, defined as being late 5 times within 2 consecutive months, is subject to action. Class attendance policy. Illness of emergencies require a medical certificate or proof of appearance. 3 unexcused absences need an excuse leave from the Guidance and Counseling Office or OSAS. Missing 20% of total class hours about 10 hours or 3 Saturdays means automatic drop from the class. In summary, the CWTS is more than a school requirement. It's a chance to serve, to grow as responsible citizens, and to make a difference in our communities by following the rules and embracing the missions. We can develop the skills and values that help both ourselves and our nation. Thank you for listening, and I hope this inspires you to actively participate in the NSTP CWTS journey.